Home Depot.
And slow, slow. Okay, stop.
Sorry. Okay, should be good. Wow, this is beautiful. Here is the first glimpse at our front door. And you can see it has a fiberglass door with a wood finish and really cool glass. So let's get these unpacked and into the house where they'll be safe.
You know what I'm putting, Dada?
Alright.
This. Dada.
Oh!
I did this. Make it into a ball.
That is a big mud ball. You made that?
Uh-huh. And it's quite wet and it's quite dirty.
True. What are you going to do with it?
I'm going to throw it down. And when I'm done throwing it down, then you know what I will do?
What?
And I will break it.
Okay, sounds fun.
Yeah.
And here is the other door. This one is going to be the door that goes out to our balcony from the bedroom. We wanted something that's going to let a lot of light in and match the front door. It's not the same wood tone. We're going to be painting this one, but it has the same glass style in a different size. So, really cool. This one's also a fiberglass door. And I think it's looking awesome. That's going to look so cool in the bedroom. Like, all this light coming in, still has privacy. And
Yeah, really cool.
I think it's just going to look epic. So, if we can get it in there without breaking it. Also, be careful because this glass is a little different. I just get paranoid. What are you going to do?
I don't know.
If you like look over afterwards and crash.
Look at her. Put again. How to put these together again.
How did we do this last?
Hi, my name is Doug,
And I'm Ashley.
and we are in the middle of a home renovation. Now this isn't a renovation channel, but that's what we're working on right now. Our whole channel is based around sharing our life with you guys. We're a DIY family, which means we like to do things ourselves. We try to tackle as many jobs as we can. We like to learn new things, and we're just basically building a better life by living different. That's our channel name. So, we've been working on this home renovation where we're doing the master suite, which involves the bedroom, bathroom, entryway, and there's an office, bedroom/office, I should say. We've made big progress, gutted the space, reframed it, and I just finished up all the electrical and all the insulation. So I'm going to be giving you a tour of what it looks like right now, and then we'll talk about what we're doing going forward. So as we come into the entryway, this is the foyer, and some of the things I worked on this past week was getting this blocking in the wall. So what I did here was get these cross bracings put in place to kind of mimic what was happening over here. And what these do is give a place to nail the boards on. Since we have these vertical boards, you need something to nail to. And we're going to continue those all the way down. I know it's kind of common sense, but I thought I'd point it out just so you guys know what I'm doing. That is done, and it looks really good. Some of the things I worked on this past week was getting this blocking in the wall, finishing up all the insulation work that I wanted to do. I also got a lot of electrical work done, so that's really cool. We're going to come into the bedroom, and wow, this is looking awesome. I just want to show you guys because this is where we're at right now, and this is where it gets a little more exciting. So you can see we left some spots up here at the top of the wall uninsulated, and that's because we have some things that we want to do up there. But coming around here. Now the reason we didn't insulate this spot is because that's going to be a storage loft, and you can see the doorway is going to be up here. But I don't want it to get too hot or too cold, so we decided to leave that part uninsulated so that we would have a little better heat flow, I guess, through the walls, even though they will be closed up. Here's the bathroom, looking awesome. All super insulated and finished out. We got our, electrical all run. That's going to be a ceiling vent. We got a light and another light. I've done some changes in the past week where I've put in some blocking here. I had to pull these wires so I can get that in. But you see now we have our corner blocking for this wall. I also did blocking in these corners. The corner over here. All over the place. Blocking in here. I got all this ceiling blocking in along here with Ashley's help. And we built a new header above the door because the old one was kind of lousy. Now this wall right here, I was going to insulate. I was back and forth on it. I've decided not to. We're going to be leaving it open like this. Well, not open, but uninsulated. We're going to be covering it. We decided it's not going to do much good, and we didn't want to spend the extra money because it's not going to serve a purpose with this doorway here. This is just going to be an open doorway to the living room, no door on it. So we don't need soundproofing, and even fireproofing, I'm not sure would make a big difference here. And I decided because of the extra labor involved with all the blocking and putting insulation in there and the uneven studs, I'm just going to leave it. We have our new doors right here ready to install. That's going to be the next project. And something else you might notice is these white lines. I'm not completely done yet, but I've been caulking any crack that I can find to help better air seal the room. So, if there was a little gap up here in the headers, caulked it in, sealed everything up. So this is our bedroom. Now this is going to be the bedroom side. This is going to be the home office side. It looks big on camera, but it's really only about 10 feet wide. So imagine that, 10 feet. Basically a 5-foot window with 30 inches on either side of the window to give you a perspective here. And this whole addition is only 24 feet long, wide. So this space, minus 8 inches for each wall, basically, for the walls, is, a little over 23 feet wide. Up here is the attic door. That's going to be going just into the general house attic. It's not going to be for storage, but we need an access. I actually still have a little framing to do. I never put a top on it. I wasn't sure how tall I wanted it yet, so I'm leaving that open. So that's where we're at. We're mostly roughed in and clean. We're ready for the next steps, and that's going to be the fun part because we have the finish work. That's the fun part.
Yeah.
To see it really come together. Doors, we don't have our windows yet, and then wall coverings, floors, all this cool stuff. It's going to come together. We're excited. So we kind of wanted to pause at this moment and give you guys the update. This is where we're going to carry on. We're going to try to do regular updates as we go. But really, over the last couple weeks, we've just been doing tiny jobs, little by little. The blocking, the slow stuff, the electrical, fixing mistakes, fixing problems, just cutting all those blockings. Even that takes so much time. we got all the slow, tedious, boring stuff out of the way, and everything I think is pretty much 100%. There is a couple things I have to do later on, like I said, framing up the attic doorway, doing some ceiling work, but nothing that is going to affect finishing what we can do right now. So these are some of the things I want to get done this week. Doors. We want to get those doors installed. Holes in the floor. You can see there's old vents, plumbing holes, little rotted spots. I want to get all the holes in the floor patched up. So that's going to be something that I want to see done. Hopefully. We'll try to make that a goal. We have to finish that rough-in work. Plumbing is really next. So plumbing for the bathroom.
And then after the plumbing is done, we can do the shower install.
Yeah, so that's kind of the order of events right now. I don't know if we'll get that all done this week, but we can shoot for it. We're going to try to get some stuff really moving on this. We're excited to get into our room, and we're heading into fall. We're in fall.
Yeah.
But it's still nice out, beautiful weather, so we're doing good. But it will be nice to get the house closed in. That's the goal, ultimate goal. Most of you guys know that we have kids, and our kids are doing great. A little update on them. Not much going on. They're just being kids, having fun. Belle's been doing great at school, homeschool. And little Maverick got a new sweater that he's enjoying.
So cute.
And
They like to go on the trampoline.
And sometimes you guys miss seeing the kids, and we would show them more, but right now they're actually just playing, and not much to show.
Yep.
We're all doing good. Everything's moving forward. And I think that's all we have to share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to have videos coming this week. We're going to shoot for Wednesday.
Okay.
Right?
We'll try.
We'll get those doors in. You guys will see it. You guys want to see the doors installed. They're going to be beautiful. And Ashley's not crazy about the brown,
It's okay.
but we'll see. So, thanks for watching. We'll be back soon. So until next time, take care.
Bye.
So Maverick, you got something new and cool today?
Yeah,
What is it?
a new coat.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called. And
That is really cool. It looks really good on you.
It's beautiful.
Do you like it?
yeah, and it has acres.
Anchors?
Uh-huh.
Let's see the back. Wow. Pretty.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it.
Why does it look like I'm in back more acres?
Yep.
Yeah. Nice colors.
Yeah.
And it has a hood. Can you put it up? Perfect. Well, we're heading into fall, and it was time to do some coat shopping, and we found this cute little sweater for Maverick, and it's perfect. Right?
Yeah.